Hey you guys, Laura here, and today I'm going to be taking you through a standing series using the Pilates Magic Circle. So if you're new to my page, my name is Laura. I'm a certified personal trainer, Pilates instructor, and nutrition coach, and I bring you weekly videos talking about fitness tips, different workouts, wellness tips, lifestyle stuff. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can keep getting notified when I post videos up. We are going to be using this ring in a standing position today. The first thing that we are going to start out with is a standing arm series that's going to help to improve your posture, open the front of your chest. That's great for everyone. I think we all need these, but specifically if you're a runner. The more open our chest is, the more lung volume we can have. So that means the more oxygen we can be getting during our runs to our muscles. Also, if you're not a runner, this is still going to be totally beneficial and applicable for you so that you can have a tall, proud, powerful stance. And also if you have neck pain, shoulder pain, that kind of stuff, this will help alleviate that as well. Let's grab your ring, take it in front of you, and reach your fingertips forward. So thumbs are not wrapped around, they are with your fingertips, and we're also not curling over. We have them strong and long. Stand tall. You can go hip width apart, or you can bring your feet together. I'm gonna go legs together, and I want you to imagine that you're trying to clap your hands in front of you and then resist the hands to open. So we're not really moving that much, and that's okay. Exhale, clap the hands together. Think about squeezing that ring into an oval and then resist it open. As we try to press pressure through the heels of our hands, we're also trying to think about the shoulders pulling downwards towards the hip bones. So the shoulders to the hip bones, the skull, the head to the sky. And as I think about that up to down variation in my body, I can feel my belly zipper in tightly to my spine. So we're working the arms, but we're also working the abs. Last three, using that breath to movement. 2, last 1, and then we're going to take this ring to the side. I want you to put this ring on your side of your hip like you're holding a laundry basket. Now be mindful, this shoulder is going to want to roll forward. I want you to think about it rolling up, down, and backwards. So once again, downwards towards the hips. Heel of the hand is on the side of the ring. We stand tall and proud as we try to hug the heel of the hand in towards our hip. So as the heel of our hand hugs in towards our hip, you're feeling your shoulder blade kind of wing inwards like a windshield wiper to your spine, working the back of the shoulder. So the muscles that we have there are our rear delt, teres minor and major. We're also working the lower trap and rhomboid. So much good stuff going on there. Small muscles, so it's a small range of motion. That's okay. We're going to do 3 more here, doing a total of 10 for each of these that we're going to be moving through. Last one, and then we're going to take our ring to the opposite side. Same thing here. We want to put that ring on the edge of our hip. Take your fingertips long, reaching towards the ground. Tall spine, open chest, squeeze, and then release. Thinking about getting those collarbones nice and wide to the side. I'm standing strong and evenly through my feet. And then I'm also thinking that my head is trying to grow upwards towards the sky as my ring squeezes inwards towards my side. Also really cool about this ring series is that we are strengthening our lateral lines, our side lines of our body. So you're going to be working your core as well as your internal and external obliques here without even having to do a single crunch. Pretty awesome, I think. 1 more. All right, next we're going to take this ring and we're going to make it so that it goes right like an oval surrounding our bottom, taking your hands 1 to each side, fingertips long to the floor. And I want you to think about lifting the ring off of your bottom and then lowering the ring down. For me, this is a challenging one. I do have tight pecs. I'm going to try to squeeze my thighs together, see if that helps me any bit. We're going to lift and then lower down. And again, exhale, lift and lower down. Working the triceps, trying to keep the shoulders open. So if you notice that you go forward as you lift the ring, we're trying to avoid the leaning forward and actually get your skull, your head upwards towards the sky, and make your triceps and your rear delts lift and do the work. 2 more here for 10. And 1. Awesome job, you guys. Okay, next for our standing series, we're gonna go to a leg variation. So this ring is gonna go down to my feet. I'm gonna move the camera, so you're gonna lose my face for a little bit. All right, so like I mentioned, you've lost my face, but you can see the ring. I want you to lean your weight over to one side of your body and try to have your whole footprint connected to the floor. Single leg balance here. Really great for runners, strengthening our feet, strengthening the outside of our hip, and strengthening our core. I want you to try to squeeze the ring in and together without tapping the floor. Ooh, and then release it wideways. So if you are doing this on carpet like I am, it's going to add a little bit of extra challenge because the carpet is soft, has instability to it. Versus if you did this on a hardwood floor or tile, it's going to be a little bit easier. So keep that in mind for yourself. Also, if you need to, you can go up against a wall and put your handprint against the wall for some extra balance. We're working the glutes as we're standing single leg, working the inner thigh as we try to squeeze. And I want you to channel in all of that upper body opening that we did just moments ago. Last one here. And then we're going to switch sides. We're going to do 3 different leg movements here too. So don't go away. Don't think that we're just done here with this inner thigh after this. Stand tall, proud chest. We're working our feet, creating strong feet. Strong feet means strong ankles. Strengthening, the arches of our feet. There we go. It's a little windy here. This side is the side that I had my hip surgery on, so needs a little bit more focus. I'll try to be quiet on this side. Breath to movement, thinking about zipping my core as I squeeze in. Ooh, I got a nice little lengthening here. That felt cool. Last 3, 2, and 1. And resist. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go back to standing on my left foot, and I'm also going to turn my feet so that they are facing now the length of my mat. Standing into my left foot. Ooh, I do have a wall next to me. I'm going to use it for this one, and I'm going to squeeze in and together, deepening through my abdominals, and release the ring back. Squeeze in and together, and back. When I release it back, I can still feel my glute engage through the back of my floating leg. I'm standing on my left, feeling my arch lift from the floor, feeling my side butt holding me steady, contracting the ring through my lower abs of my floating leg and my glute of my floating leg. I have 9. Last one, 10. Then we're going to stand to our back leg and lift the front leg. Hold it here. Now, standing on the right leg, I want you to squeeze the left leg inwards. Ooh, I tried to look down at my ring. I lost my balance. It's easier for me if I look forward. I'm still thinking about opening through the front of my chest. Still trying to have my whole footprint connected to the ground. Lower abdominal work to pull the ring in. Last 3. I think of my thigh trying to have upward energy, like I'm trying to lift my kneecap off from the floor. Last 1, 10. Woo. And then we're going to switch sides. So I'm just going to try it as gracefully as I can to spin my feet around. Didn't really work so well, so I'm going to come down to the floor and switch the ring around for myself. Okay, now from here, I'm going to go back to standing on my right foot. I know we were just on it, but we're going to do it again. Stand on your right foot. So we got right foot to the front, left foot to the back. Squeeze the ring, release the ring. Awesome job, you guys. So these are really fine-tuned, specific movements that help to get the deep intrinsic muscles in our body. So the rotator cuff is what we were working earlier with the arm sequence. And then here we're working all of the pelvic stabilizers, and as well as the small intrinsic tendons, ligaments, in our feet. Last three. It's that right side. When I balance on it and try to talk, it's a little challenging. Last one here. Awesome. Now we're going to stand on the left. The right foot is lifted. All right. Find that single leg balance, tall stance. We squeeze in and together and release it. I don't know why, but I love this one so much. When the front foot is lifted and we squeeze in, I can really feel my glute and hamstring right where they meet. So it makes me really feel like I'm getting this nice lifted perky butt, as well as having those functional benefits here, right? Strong hips to protect the knees, strong hips to give us more powerful runs, strong hips so that we can go through our day with the best strength possible. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job, you guys. Okay, both feet get planted onto the floor. That is all we have for this standing series. We got to target, like I said, those deep intrinsic muscles of your shoulders, of your hips, as well as working balance, which is going to help you in your day-to-day, regardless of if you're a runner or not. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoyed the content that was in this video so that I can keep making more videos like this. Also, if you want to have a specific video, whether we're working with a specific prop, we're working at a specific body part, or you're having trouble like, Laura, I want help with my squats, or I want to get better at push-ups, or whatever it is, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be more than happy to curate a video just for you. I'd also love to see that you tried out this video, so go ahead and take a selfie or take a screen grab of this video and tag me in your Instagram stories. It makes me so happy to know that I'm providing valuable content to viewers like yourself. And yeah, it would just bring a smile to my face and brighten my day. I do answer myself personally the comments below, and I'm in charge of my Instagram, and I'd love to hear from you guys. I'll put my Instagram information down in the description below, as well as here in the video. And if you're not already subscribed to my page, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can keep getting videos and content just like this. I post videos every single week, and I can't wait to see you back here next week. Have a good one, you guys.